Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix that super frustrating issue, messages not sending on Telegram. Whether it's just one message stuck or every conversation feels frozen in time, by the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to get things working smoothly again, and you'll know what causes these hiccups so you can avoid them in the future. Let's dive right in and troubleshoot this together. First up, let's tackle some basic things that might be stopping your messages. It sounds simple, but I want you to pay close attention. Check your internet connection. Telegram relies on a stable connection, just like streaming a video or loading a web page does. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is sketchy, messages won't budge. Here's a handy trick. Swipe down your screen and toggle airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then switch it back off. This resets your phone's network connections, just like unplugging and plugging in your router at home. If you notice your internet speed is lagging in other apps, fix that first, as Telegram won't work any better. Next, force close the Telegram app completely. Don't just tap back or home. Open up your recent apps and swipe Telegram away. This makes sure you're fully refreshing it, clearing out any temporary glitches it might have picked up, kind of like giving something a fresh start when it's stuck. Now reopen it and see if your messages go through. Another classic fix: restart your phone itself. I know it sounds basic, but restarting can magically resolve a ton of small software hiccups, including things that might be interfering with Telegram behind the scenes. Power off, wait a moment, power back on, and give Telegram another try. Don't worry if it takes a minute for everything to reload, that's normal. If things are still stuck, let's go a layer deeper and fix the app in its settings. Sometimes old cache files pile up and trip Telegram over its own shoelaces. Here, what you do: open Telegram, tap those three little lines in the corner, that's the hamburger menu, and head to Settings. Look for Data and Storage, then Storage Usage, and tap Clear Cache. This doesn't delete your messages or chats, it just clears out old files, sort of like taking out the trash. Another often overlooked culprit is an outdated version of the app. Developers constantly patch bugs, so head over to the Google Play Store and check if Telegram needs an update. Keeping things up to date is important for smooth message delivery. Now dig into your battery settings. Is battery saver mode on? If it is, it's probably restricting background data usage for Telegram, which can make messages hitch up or stall. You'll want to either turn battery saver off or go into your phone's app settings and make sure Telegram isn't being limited. While you're in there, make sure background data is enabled under Settings, Apps, Telegram, Mobile Data, and Wi-Fi, so Telegram can send and receive messages even when you're not actively using the app. Of course, sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. There could be a Telegram server outage, which is rarer but does happen. Hop over to a website like Down Detector. If lots of people are reporting problems, the issue may be with Telegram itself, and you'll just need to wait it out. If your messages are only failing with a certain person, check if you've been blocked or if their privacy settings prevent messages from non-contacts. You'll notice your messages show only a single tick, meaning it's not reaching their device. That's a clue. Also, Telegram sometimes flags accounts for suspicious behavior, such as sending too many messages to strangers quickly. If you suspect your account is restricted, open Telegram and message at Spam Bot, the official support bot. It can tell you your current status and even help you lift the restriction, so don't skip this step. Now, if you've tried everything and your messages still just aren't going out, here's your final resort. Uninstall Telegram completely, restart your device, and reinstall the latest version from the Play Store. Don't worry about losing your chats, they're safely stored in Telegram's cloud and will reappear when you sign back in. And in a rare case that all of these steps fail, reach out directly to Telegram's support team using their support form. Sometimes stubborn issues need official help. If you follow these steps, you'll be equipped to diagnose and fix most Telegram message sending failures, from simple network issues all the way up to account restrictions. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, drop a comment with any questions or issues you're facing, and subscribe for more clear, easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching and good luck getting those messages moving again on Telegram.